दूषित उदकाचो वाद दाबोळे वाठारांत बरोच वाडला। पर्यावरणीय दुर्लक्षाचो धक्को दिवपी घडणुको उक्ताडार येत आसात। हे खेपे एक अपार्टमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स उक्त्या वाठारांनी सांड उदक सोडपाची केस नजरेत आयिल्ल्यान थळाव्यांनी गंभीर हुस्को उक्तायल्लो। आयज जाल्ल्या चिखले ग्रामसभेन सांडपाण्याचो विशय बरोच तापट जालो। वाडत वचपी सांडपाणी आनी कोयर प्रस्नांचेर नदर दवरपा खातीर पंचायत मंत्री आनी हेर खात्यां वांगडा अतिरिक्त साधारण ग्रामसभा घेवपाच्या थळाव्यांच्या मागणेक पंचायतीन मान्यताय दिल्या।
Contaminated. Even though functional STPs are there, still extra water where to release it. We don't have 10 acres of a land of a garden to water our this one. Extra water. So please, I am requesting you to immediate effect on wall footing go for the sewage pipeline. It is all Jairam Nagar or this one, residents, tall buildings, whether it is a small houses or bungalows, all are using the soak pits. Are they going for the treatment? They don't go. Whereas we big this one have our own functional STP plants, but still there is some problem.
That sewerage line is required in entire Daboli, not only Jairam Nagar, everywhere, because this problem is you can say universal now. Right now, we can just propose and send it to the government because big amount is involved in that. So we take resolution of the Gram Sabha and we will be sending it to the government. But short-term solution is that everybody has to manage their own sewerage. Either it is garbage. We have to decentralize the system. See, suppose you want a sewerage system in Jairam Nagar. After treating that water, where it will go? Now you are saying my STP water I am throwing it out because I don't have option. But if we have a sewerage plant in that area, after treating that water, where it will go? Again that question comes.
Overall, who is responsible?
We are monitoring.
We, the panchayat is responsible because last moment we are caught.
Last party think a letter going what they have acted.
So stop all the projects of being approved by PDA. That we are not doing.
No, stopping is not a
We are
solution.
not finding
The
the
pollution control boards. This is questioned. How they are giving consent to operate?
So today we pass a resolution which we had done last time also we had done.
Every time
we do it.
Every time we do
So
it.
reject the project. This is not settled. Why the poor people should suffer?
For various developments, multi-story buildings and constructions and all this. Where 3-4 important regulations are there. One is fire regulations. Other one is STP and health regulations. Then there is the width of the road. And so many regulations are there which the conditions are put in the permissions. But after the building comes up, nobody checks whether these are being implemented. So we brought it before the knowledge of the Gram Sabha that this is very, very important. Until this is done, and if the carrying capacity is not there of the village to hold all this, they should not give any further permission until the government takes decision how to handle these issues. Because the village is getting affected because of this. All the pollution that is taking place due to sewage treatment plants and all that is coming percolating down in the village.
Recently, कोर्टाचे जजमेंट येयला की पंचायत has the right to reject the PDA's decision or any of the other bodies that approve such project. Because ultimately it's the panchayat who is responsible for the development of the village and for the welfare of the villages. आणि एक ग्रामसभेक आम्ही हेंय बी मागला की तांणी आमच्या लोकल MLA आणि मिनिस्टराकूय आपयचो कित्याक तांणी पळय ती इनिशिएटीव घेयल्ली वायोलेटा प्रोजेक्टाची इश्यूआचेर ती ताणें पणजे पळय ती मिटींग दवरली तसली ताणें आमचे पद येवन एक मिटींग जावची कित्याक आमचेय पळय इश्यूज आहाय रिलेटेड आतां सगळ्याकूच गार्बेजीचो आनी सुवेज लिकेजीचो आतां तसोच इश्यू येयलो आहा आनी दुसरे प्रोजेक्टाक सो हे पळय वायोलेटात आमी ऑब्जर्व केला ते वायोलेटा 2 आणि वायोलेटा 3 वायोलेटा 4 सगळे दाबोळेच्या वयर कॉम्प्लेक्सांनी जावपाचे आहा सो ते जावचे पयलीं आमी मागता की आमचे लोकल MLA जो मिनिस्टर आहा आनी पावरफूल मिनिस्टर आहा जो जायते इनिशिएटीव घेता म्हूण आमकां दाखयता तेणे येवचें आनी आमचे हे पळय हुस्के आहा ते तेणें क्लियर करचें जें पळय तेजे मनान कितें आहा तें तेणें आमचे मदीं दवरचें आनी आमच्या मनान कितें आहा तें आमी तेजे मुखार दवरून आमी तेजे कडेन मांडून हेजें सोल्युशन जॉयंटली काडपाक आमी प्रयत्न करता
पंचायतीन इनिशिएटीव घेवपाचें आसलें तें फेल जाता खंय तरी पंचायत गार्बेज आनी सिवेज आतां तुमी फाटल्या दिसांनी वायलेटाचें पळयलां येदे व्हडले सिवेजाचें हें जालां पूण आतां आमी हें दवरलेलें पॉयंट दवरलेलो विलेज कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटीचे 2018च्यान आमी लागल्या फाटल्यान पूण तेंचे कडेन ते सक्सेसूच जायना आनी परत तोच बसता आनी तोच आन्सर करता पूण तेजे कडेन प्रोसेस करता म्हणटा जायना म्हणटा आनी आपूण गव्हर्मेंटाक धाडला हेका धाडला तेका धाडला म्हणटा पूण आतां जालां कितें आमी सांगलां की ऑर्डर 25 बिल्डिंगाच्या वयर तुम्ही कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स होल्ड करा टील आनी इशू रिझॉल्व जाईल सर.
मजगती गोय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाक पत्र धाडून आपल्या अधिकार क्षेत्रातल्या सगळ्या मेगा प्रकल्पातल्या सांडपाणी शुद्धीकरण प्रकल्पांची STP तपासणी करपाची, तांचेर नियंत्रण दवरपाचे आणि गरज पडल्यार फुडली कारवाय करपा खातीर पंचायती कडेन अहवाल सादर करपाची मागणी सरपंचान केल्ल्याचे स्पष्ट केले.
अलॉंग विथ हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड आम्ही फुल जितली STP आहा सगळे आम्ही इन्स्पेक्शन करतले आणि ट्राय टू सॉर्ट आउट दिस इशू बिकॉज आमकां ऑलरेडी 2-3 अवॉर्ड गावला फॉर क्लिननेस एंड दिस डजंट शो गुड दिस एक्झाम्पल एक्चुअली फॉर अदर्स. विल बी टेकिंग एक्शन ऑन द सोसायटी, तांकां बंद करपा लायतले प्लस तांकां हेल्प करतले अलॉंग विथ पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड एंड हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट हाव टू मॅनेज द STPs, where to use that treated water because everywhere the same problem is arising to use that treated water. So we'll be creating more garden space, insist them on reusing that water for flushing purpose and all. So बारीक गोष्टी आहा which they have to follow and it will be streamlined.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीषा जाधव आणि सानिका नागवेकर.